Welcome to a brand new series that I am starting today. This is my very first video. We're going to call this episode 1 or introduction to trading. So what we're going to learn about today is a platform called Pocket Options. This is not a new platform. It's been around since 2017, but predominantly on my channel, I have dealt with, high yield income platforms that can go away tomorrow. You don't really have the ability to control your money. And if you look at my YouTube channel, you'll see that I have a lot of platforms over the past year where I have overall made money. Yes, some I've lost, some I've won, some have went longer than others, some I invested heavily, some I didn't. But you can see throughout that era, it is highly volatile and can be scary, to be honest with you. Well, trading, investing, gambling can be scary to most, and you can lose a lot of money. You can gain a lot of money. This is not for the get rich quick scheme. This is not for the faint of heart. These investment platforms, this way of using your money to trade, to invest, to gamble, think of it as you going to the slot machine or to play poker or whatever. And, you're taking a couple $100 with you. And if you leave at the end of the night without it, you had fun and you lost a couple $100. My goal is to show you ways to improve your cash flow. And Pocket Options is going to be a brand new series for me. So I'm going to start with episode 1, intro today. And I'm going to show you the main website, the landing page, how you can get involved, and then we're going to do the next video, which will be the interface and looking around. So here is how to get started, what it is, and a link for you to register using my referral link so you can join my team. Why would you want to join my team? I have a Telegram group that I've had for a while, about 6 months now, that has a lot of people like yourself, myself, who are interested in gambling / investing / moving our money around to hopefully grow our net worths and to help our financial situation. So with all that being said, I'll leave the link for my Telegram group. I'll also leave the link for Pocket Options. But here we go. Let's jump into the interface and check out Pocket Options. Here's the introduction, episode 1. Let's get started. Okay, I am on pocketoptions.com. This is the main website, the main landing. And this is the right place for online traders for financial markets. And so right now, like I said, they have been around for a really long time. They have a lot of investors. The minimum investment amount is $5. The minimum trade amount is $1, which is incredible. If you want to start small, you want to start investing with a small amount of funds, you can do that on this platform. It is your money, by the way. We are not giving it to somebody to do with it as they please. It is your money that you deposit onto the platform, and then you get to trade with. There's you get to see charts, candles. There's lots of strategies. In my series, I will be showing a lot of strategies, a lot of ways for you to not only use, but to gain, work on your craft and understanding how the platform works, and also to how you can better your ability to read candlesticks and all that jazz. So I'm going to have a lot of information, a lot of educational tools on this, on how all of that works. All right. So why choose us? Flexibility and funding. Like I said, they have lots of ways that you can trade from Forex, MT5, MT4. What I mostly trade is the OTC pairs, like Canadian USD, Aussie, Japanese type of stuff like that. So I'll show you more of that once we get into it. All right. They do have a training section, diverse trading instruments. So again, they show you currency, commodities, stocks. You can trade those if you like. Demo accounts, so you can practice your craft. The nice thing about the demo account is that you can just load it up and continue to use it. If you deplete it, you can load it up again and use it. This is a great way if you want to learn a brand new strategy. All right. Withdrawals and deposits are super easy. I'll show you how to go through all of that. And reading signals, again, I'm going to show you a lot of strategies on how to read signals. What is a bullish? What is a bearish candle? What are wicks? What is a high? What is a low? I'm going to show you all of that in this series as we move along. All right. Payment methods, trading assets. Again, you can click on a lot of those, and you can download the app if you have Android, or you can use the web link. I predominantly use my computer, my PC, to trade. I find that on the cell phone, it is too small. I don't have the ability to be as diligent in my analysis as I do when I'm on the PC. So with all that being said, great reviews. Like I said, been around a long time. So how do we get started? And let's jump into the platform. All right. Okay, so here we are on the main interface here, and you can see the full dashboard here when you load it up. And right up here, we have trading, finance, profile, market, achievements, chat, and help. All right. Here is your currency options. So these are the trading pairs that I was talking about. You can do cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks. All right. This here is the chart types. So line, candles, bars, Heikin-Ashi. This is the time frame. So 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, right? And enable timer. That's the timer right here. You can see, okay. Here are options that you can add to here. So bearish power, bull power, zigzag, the RSI, the CCI. There's lots of options of things that you can add to this graph to give you help and indication on how to trade. Now, don't worry about all of that. I'm going to go over all of that in the future on other videos where I can show dedicated videos on what is the candles, what is a bullish bearish candle, how to read these charts, how to understand what is happening right here. Essentially what I want to do is just show you quickly the interface and what it looks like so that you have an idea for future videos. All right. Here is my real-time funds. All right. And then here is your demo account that I was talking about earlier. So in the demo account, you can trade with however much you want. So I'm going to make this 1% just so you can sort of see. So if I make this 1%, I have $57,000 here. I'm going to trade $574. So these candles are pushing down. You're going to hit buy. You're going to hit sell. It's currently on a 10-second time frame. 10-second time frame. So we're just going to watch this candle happen. And essentially all you're going to do is you're going to hit the, let's just give this a second here. What is it going to do? I feel like this is going to go back up. So we're just going to give it a second to let it close. And it's green. Let's go ahead and buy and see what happens. So I just did a buy. It's going to go for 4, 3, 2, 1 second. And that was a loss. And that's how that happens. Okay. And so, yeah. So again, I'm just showing you how this all works. If you think the candles are going down, we're going to learn how to understand the zigzag trend. We're going to understand how to understand reading candles, when to buy, when not to buy. Up here are a bunch of different graphs, different pairs, and I encourage you to have as many of these open at the 92% payout. And what that means is if you were to have this open, so this pair right here is 82% payout. And so we're going to go to that one real quick. And so right now it's 82% payout. So if I was to do $568.36, it would be an 82% payout. 64% payout, it just changed. So you want to watch before you buy and before you sell. Make sure that you are not using a 64. You want to make sure you use a 92. You want to make sure that we're maximizing our trade. All right. Okay, so that's that real quick. Here's trades here. You can go through and click on this to see what trades you've done today. different signals, okay? Social trading. You can copy trade, which is what we're going to get into in another episode, specifically just on copy trading, how it works, what to look for, all right? But I just wanted to show you real quick the interface, real quick pocket options. This is a great way for you to get into with a small amount of money and verify your account. You'll have to verify your account when you sign up, and you'll be able to do that in your profile in here. Okay, it'll ask you for like driver's license, whatnot, and you can dump some crypto in there. I put some BEP20, and that's how I got started. So yeah, that is pocket options sort of intro and a little bit of look about the interface. I'm going to get into further episodes which will show you more in depth on what it is, how the charts work, what the candles are, and all that good stuff. All right. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Please follow along. Like I said, this is episode 1 of a brand new series, and we're going to go real in depth with pocket options because didn't know if I said this earlier in the video, but I started with about $600, and you saw on my current account that I'm at $1,400. So I've virtually doubled, more than doubled in the past week since I've been joined pocket options, but I've been trading and learning candles long before that because it is not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. All right, so that's it for today. Appreciate you stopping by and check it out. Episode 1 of my new series of trading with pocket options. Well, thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.